Hello, this is Colin Brazendale, and this is an update or another review on the Profit Retriever. Um, I told you that I'll make regular updates on my progress and performance on using the Profit Retriever. The Profit Retriever is an expert advisor that you use with MT4 and MT5. Um, so it's like a Forex robot that you use, but you can also use gold, Bitcoin, whatever you can load onto your M24, M25. You can use it. This is the sales page. They say make profits no matter which way the market moves, which is great because you don't have to use charts or guess what direction the market is going. You basically set up the expert advisor and you switch it on and it starts trading. But I'll show you my trading in a couple of minutes. This is so you can go through all the description here. The base description of the profit retrievers here. It says the profit retriever uses the concept of adding and two losing positions to dollar cost average your cost of open trade so that the smallest retracement will not only recover losses but also create a profit, hence the name Profit Retriever. So if it starts trading in the right direction, it will cash in every whatever pips you set it to on the grid system. But if it starts trading in the wrong direction, it will use this dollar cost averaging. Um, so that the smallest retracement will recover your losses and create a profit. So if I go to my trading here, this is the okay, let's use the euro US dollar because on this one it's been trading now for 5 days in the wrong direction basically. Let me just go higher time frame. So you can see all the yield was trading in the right direction. All the reds is sells and was going the right direction. So every time it was cashing in, you can see the grid. I've set it at 20 pips. And so every 20 pips it will open up a new position. So here it was trading in the wrong direction and was opening up a new position every 20 pips, and then the market started turning. But this line here is my profit line, so it doesn't have to go back all the way when it started here on say the 15th, around about between the 14th and the 15th of July. It started trading the wrong direction. um, so it doesn't have to go back all the way there. It only needs to go there, and then it will cash in. And then, I can't really see. I just want to move that to see what. So here it says the profit will be $285. So at the moment, I'm running at it's on a big drawdown of $6,356. So that is why you need, the creators recommend $10,000, but I work on a rule of thumb of $20,000 um, for every robot that I set up per chart. Here you can see I've got many set up here, but I've only got seven actively. This one I paused, or not paused, I stopped it because when I had this big drawdown of 13,000, I just for safety, I switched off two of my robots. But this one is still running. See, this one's going the right direction. So you can see all those positions. They had made $58, $64, 100, $82. So, but at the moment, my euro US dollar and my Aussie US dollar is at big losses. Well, not big losses, drawdowns. But sometimes, somewhere, this will come down to this line and will cash in. If it doesn't, and it trades, let me just go to a higher time frame. If it goes even higher, um, so it goes even higher, it will open up even more positions. But what will happen is this red line, that is the profit line or target, it will move up. So this, as the definition says, the smallest retracement will then make the robot cash in and make a profit. In this case, it will make $392. But if there's new positions, obviously this will change. But at the moment, there's a drawdown of 6,700. But I'm not too worried because my account is, at the moment, I've got equity of 160,000. So it's not too bad drawdown. But I must admit, this is the biggest drawdown I've had in the last 3 months trading this robot live. I'll show you my live account or the stats so far. In FX Blue, they give you all the stats. You just need to load your details. But here you can see, if I just refresh here and see what, okay. So here you can see, I put the profit and losses. So you can see the heavy drawdown that I've got now was already improved. I was at one stage minus 16,000, but it's already improved. But as long as your account is big enough, as mine is for this robot, you don't have to worry. Sometime the market will turn and you will cash in. And I've got my other robots also still running at the moment, so they're making profits all the time. You can see it is a real account, but this is a cent account. Just remember, I didn't start with $25,000. I started with $250 with a cent account with FBS. You'll find my referral links in the description below, and they will change that $250 into a $25,000 account, and then they'll also give you a bonus of another 25,000, so it's 50,000. So that's why you'll also see that there's a difference between the balance and the equity. They've got 25,000 that they keep on hold, although I can trade with it. It's not part of my margin. But yes, as soon as I've made enough trades, I'll release the 25,000. So, but here you can see so far over the last 96 days, which includes weekends, although I don't trade weekends because it's Forex, I've really made 207%. And this 207% is actually higher than that because this includes a deposit they gave me. But that deposit, although I can trade with it, I can't use it as a margin. So if you deduct that 25,000, this will be much higher. But anyway, you can see all the currency that I've been trading. So yes, so far so good. And if you look at my previous video, you'll see there's already a big improvement just over the last, it's less than a week when I made the last video. It's already went up again. I'll put this link of my FX Blue account in the description below so you can also see the real-time performance. So yes, to go back to the Profit Retriever sales page, so here's the settings. There's a lot of settings that you can add, but there's basically just 4 that I use, that I change. And then they've got all these videos that will help you learn more about the Profit Retriever. On the sales page, you can see back testing that was done on gold and other Forex pairs. And then they've also got the support. There's very good support. I'm also a paid member of their paid forum, and I highly recommend you join the paid forum, because if you join the paid forum here, you're only going to pay $180 once off, or you can just buy it as a new client for $450, or with crypto $300. So they've got different pricing here. Existing clients also get a discount, and YouTubers get also a discount. So, but I would recommend join the forum. Okay, it's $40 per month, and then if you don't like the forum or all the benefits that you get there, which and then there's loads of benefits that you get. There's even more expert advice that you get for free, and there's free training courses, and so even more support and communication with other forum members. So join the forum for $40, and then after a month, if you don't like it, cancel it. But then at least you bought the profit retriever for only $180. So yes, I'm still very impressed with the profit retriever. It's still doing unbelievably well. I highly recommend you check it out. If you've got any questions, please comment below. If you use my referral links in the comments below, then obviously I'll also help you if you can't get help from the support. And then I highly recommend you use a Cent account from FBS. Also, my links are below. Not all brokers offer Cent accounts, but I recommend them. And then obviously you also need a virtual private server, so your robot can trade 24/5 or 24 the whole time. So yeah, I'll also put a link to the one that I use that I can recommend. I've been using it for more than 2 years now, so I can recommend them. So yes, I hope you enjoyed this update and review of the top profit retriever. Please give the video a like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want future updates. So yes, thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.